The Lagos Judicial Panel is divided over the repossession of the Lekki toll gate by the Lekki Concession Company. This comes just after Justice Okowobi announces that the highly anticipated results from the forensic team investigating the Lekki tollgate incident is ready. LCC legal counsel Rotimi Seriki, who filed the application, is met with objections from petitioners' counsel.
People may have died. We sympathize with them and their families. The reality on the ground is that the toll plaza will always be there. Where it is a public thoroughfare where no petitioner will be precluded from inspecting and taking necessary steps thereat to prove his case. Upon all said, I hereby make an order for LCC to repossess its toll gates, which have been under the control of the panel forthwith. Upon indication given that the forensic analysis of the said toll plaza has been concluded, the order made for repossession is for purpose of evaluation of the plaza by LCC Insurance, renovation and total control of the aforesaid plaza from today henceforth.
Thank you very much, gentlemen. The dissenting ruling of Mr. Ebola Adekunwa, member of this panel representing civil society. We met as a panel in our room today.
Chaos erupted in court when 4 members of the panel, Rinu Oduwala, Temitope Majekodumi, Ebun Adegboruwa, and Patience Udo disagreed with the ruling of Justice Okowobi for the reopening of the Lekki toll.
Mr. Seriki, I sincerely urge you and implore you.
After being able to restore calm, the opposing 4 gave their dissenting opinions.
We respect the application by LCC through its counsel, Mr. Demola Seriki, requesting for an order to allow repossession of the toll gate by the LCC. What is of utmost importance to members of this panel is to ensure that there is a full and thorough investigation into the Lekki toll gate incident and ensure justice for all victims, and that any and everyone found culpable is identified and recommended for appropriate action under the law.
Buttressing some of our views, I want it to be clear to the entire world that this is not about us being an enemy of the state. Our interest here is only to make clear and unravel without favor or any form of interference what has really happened. Now, of a truth, we have the decision, the forensic report of LCC, but we have also letters stating where the forensic expert reported to the panel clearly that LCC obstructed their investigation. They demanded to have access to the database where the footage is, but they were refused.
Overall, I believe that the issue of the reopening or otherwise of Lekki tollgate should abide the conclusion of investigation relating to the scene of the incident and conclusion of the forensic report, of which we are yet to receive a final report. I believe at the earliest possible date, after investigations and matters relating to the incident of 20th October 2020 are concluded, the application will be ripe and properly brought.
It has indeed been a dramatic day at the Lagos State Judicial Panel of Inquiry, with its members split 5-4 and 4 against the order directing the Lekki Concession Company to take possession of the Lekki Tollgate Plaza. The actions of the dissenting panel members has led to the adjournment of all cases slated for mention today. Shaitan Atigari,
Arise News.